In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find nearby school ratings in the Zillow app on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to interpret what you see so you can make a more informed decision about a home's surroundings. Start by opening the Zillow app on your iPhone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version for the smoothest experience, but you don't need any special setup just to view school information. At the top of the app, use the search bar to look up the property. You can enter a full street address if you have it, or simply type the city or zip code if you're browsing an area. As you type, Zillow will suggest matches. Pick the exact address if you know it, or select the city or zip to browse available homes and then choose the one you're interested in. This helps ensure you're viewing school details tied to the specific property location. From the search results, tap the property listing you want. Double-check the photos, price, or map pin to make sure you're on the right home. This matters because school ratings and distances are calculated based on that property's location. Once you're in the listing, scroll down until you reach the neighborhood section. It's usually below the main photos and description and may sit near other community details like walkability or nearby amenities. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. On some listings, it appears a bit further down. In the neighborhood section, you'll see nearby school ratings. Zillow typically displays an overview that can include the school name, grade levels served, and a rating on a simple scale. Think of this as a quick snapshot to help you compare options in the area. Remember, ratings can change over time and are just one piece of the puzzle, so it's helpful context rather than a final verdict. To learn more, tap any school in that list. This opens a detailed view where you can see its rating, reviews, and the distance from the property. Take a moment to note the school type, such as elementary, middle, or high school, and whether it's public or private if that's shown. Reviews can offer a sense of community feedback, while the distance helps you gauge convenience for daily routines. That's it. By opening the Zillow app, searching for your property, selecting the listing, and scrolling to the neighborhood section, you can quickly tap a school to see its rating, reviews, and how close it is, giving you a clearer picture of the area around your potential new home.